Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Alexandria, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is a move where your current address and your destination are more than 50 miles apart. Our long-distance moving service is organized, and our movers are well-trained, and they know how to handle your belongings. They move your belongings from their position gently and cover fragile items in protective gear. Our movers also observe their safety measures, such as carefully positioning your belongings in the compartments of our trucks. Our drivers are professionals at long-distance relocation. Also, your items are perfectly insured. We protect your interests and belongings by putting in place insurance that covers risk during the move. 3 Movers is a reputable moving company in Alexandria, and we create a friendly and respectable working environment for our clients. Our movers are also easy to work with. They provide all the guidance and expert suggestions you need for your success on moves. Locals enjoy working with us because of our excellent customer service. Our moving rates are also the cheapest in the city. We charge as low as $30 to $40 an hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Alexandria moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.